Hello friends, first of all, welcome back to my channel. I hope all of you are fine and doing well. Welcome back to another very beautiful, classy and elegant collection of hand embroidery patterns. Guys, as you could see that today's ideas are a little bit different from the other trendy videos that I have been posting on daily basis. Very beautiful, pretty, eye-catchy and trendy designs of hand embroidered patterns of sari, of blouse, along with very beautiful combination of sleeve designs, side line, borderline embroidery patterns of thread work could be used as sari pallu designing, sari front designing, embroidery motifs could be used as sari designing, and different type of stylized patterns of hand embroidered saris and embroidered blouses are being shown in this whole beautiful creative collection of 50 plus hand embroidery design patterns. So before going into the further details, I have a simple request to you that if you are new to my channel or you haven't subscribed my channel or you are watching my video for the very first time, then please don't forget to subscribe, and while subscribing, press the bell icon so that you could remain notified with the latest updates and uploads on my channel. And guys, if we talk about the beauty and creativity of these design patterns, then the answer to this question is very easy. That is, you can use for making different type of stylized patterns: front neckline, back neckline, sleeves, and all over embroidery floral patterns could be used as designing decent and elegant pattern of a sari embroidery. Colorful floral combinations of threads are being used to give the sari more creative look. You can also use Gujarati Jammer or Sindhi embroidery patterns for embroidering the whole embroidery pattern. You can use a borderline embroidery or a borderline embroidery attached in order to form an embroidery motif. All over floral spray could be used to give the sari more creative and more enhanced full look. Different patterns have been shown, so it is as per your own choice that which design pattern you like the most and why you want to follow it. It is a treat to my all of uh, Indian, Bangladeshi, and YouTube family members who love the art of doing hand embroidery, and they are in search of beautiful patterns of hand embroidery, especially that are focused to design saris. So I would recommend you to watch the video till end so that you could get all the amazing, stylish, and beautiful ideas. And not only ideas, you can also give your suggestions and opinions in the comment section so that we could get to know, or we would be enabled to know about your choices, and we will update our new upcoming design videos on the basis of your choices. So I hope that you have liked my today's suggestions, ideas, and beautiful creation and creativity of these designs. Guys, one more important sharing with you, that we never reclaim someone else's work as our own, or we never claim someone else's work as our own. The basic intent and purpose of making videos is to share beautiful and creative design ideas with which you can become a designer of your own and can design your dresses by following these color combinations and patterns of embroidery. So with this, allow me to leave, but you don't go anywhere. Watch the video to the end and stay tuned for the new upcoming videos. Thank you so much for watching.